The one thing we're locked in and certain of, it is going to be very, very bitter cold starting Saturday night, Sunday, and even Monday, and getting into Tuesday. Before then, we were watching 2 chances for snow. One Friday morning, looks like that's going to kind of skirt by. But Saturday, that's getting our attention. That's why we have another 10 weather impact alert for Saturday. Snow possible early Friday morning. I'll track that for you hour by hour. We'll talk about the snow on Saturday and what that means. And then an Arctic blast of air. Wait till you see these low temperatures as we get into early next week. No fun, especially for the middle part of December. Downtown right now, we're watching cloudy skies, perhaps a stray flake from time to time, but any of the real accumulating snow, that's moved on very quickly. Some spots might see a skiff, a little bit of brush on the windshield tomorrow morning, and then it might actually include colder temperatures for some bridges and overpasses. We're falling now right at 32. We're going to fall a few more degrees into the 20s with those northwest winds still about 5 to 10 miles an hour by morning. So just give yourself some extra time. If it looks wet tomorrow morning and you're driving, just assume that it might be a little bit slick. Ease off that gas and just take it easy tomorrow, and you're going to be just fine. During the day tomorrow, not a whole lot of help from Mother Nature in thawing things out. 26, 29, and 30, that's about it. Little, if any, sunshine, maybe a passing flurry, but tomorrow will be tame considered what we have coming later on this week and into the weekend. So let's start with Friday morning. Now, there's some models that put a lot of snow all over central Ohio. I do think we're going to see a very sharp cutoff on the northern edge of that snow, and it might get close to clipping Franklin County. Further north you go, you're going to keep the clouds, you'll be snow-free. The further south you go on Friday morning, there will be some light accumulations, maybe up to 2 inches in spots. But again, that will be the extreme southern and western parts of the 10 TV viewing area. Once we get to mid-morning on Friday, we're going to clear it out, at least the snow. We'll keep things rather breezy and cool, and that continues until we get to Saturday morning. Watch how fast this next area of snow begins to move back in. That's lunchtime. So if you've got things to do, places to be, people to see, Saturday morning is your window. Second half of Saturday, not so much. We're watching snow just about everywhere. I do expect this to change and evolve a little bit, but what we're seeing right now is worth that 10 weather impact alert. Several hours of snow on Saturday. Temperatures are going to be a little colder, so it'll be a little lighter, fluffier snow. That would simply mean that we'll have a better chance of seeing some accumulation. Behind that system Saturday night, this is what happens to our low temperatures. We get down to the 10-degree range and the single digits, and when you tack on that wind, especially Sunday morning, heading off to church, wind chills could be close to 0. 10 weather impact 7-day forecast for you. Getting into Thursday and Friday, you saw that chance of a flurry tomorrow. Snow shower early Friday, widespread snow late Saturday. We'll dry it out Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday and watch temperatures coming back up. Not until next Wednesday do we get above freezing, and that'll bring a chance of some rain.